Cut the cord on a cord of wood. The next generation in tree trimming tech meets the legendary ION series in the 24V Max 10-inch cordless chainsaw from Sunjoe. Perfect for your toughest tree trimming tasks anywhere power is at a premium. Sunjoe is powered by the exclusive ION Plus System series of 24V lithium-ion batteries plus tools. Cut the cord and go beyond the limits of the extension cord. Sunjoe is powered by a single 24V 4 amp-hour battery for up to 12 minutes of rechargeable runtime and up to 74 cuts per charge. The robust 600-watt motor and 10-inch bar and chain cut cleanly through tree trunks, limbs, and logs up to 9.5 inches thick and quickly clear away dense brush and dead branches. Lightweight and perfectly portable at less than 8.5 pounds to go where the work is. The chainsaw's onboard 3-fluid-ounce auto oiler keeps the bar and chain fully lubricated for continuous cutting when you're really in the thick of things. Plus, Sunjoe's top-notch safety features include a built-in handguard with kickback brake, a safety switch to prevent accidental starts, and a sheath for safe bar storage when the work is done. So cut your tree trimming task down to size and go with Joe, the 24V 10-inch cordless chainsaw from Sunjoe. Get equipped.